In this Viva episode, we discuss about important Viva questions and their answers related with sign and unit for electrical quantity, line current, phase current, line voltage, phase voltage, primary turns, secondary turns, primary current, secondary current and torque. So hi friends, welcome to the technical tutorial ASHUTOSH'S Architecture with your host SVZ A NATH. If you are the new visitor, then subscribe the channel with click on all option of the bell icon and press the like button cause this video is only for you. Question number 1. What is line current? In polyphase system, the current flowing in line is called line current. Question number 2. What is the sign and unit for line current? The sign for line current is capital I substitute L, whereas the unit of line current is ampere. Question number 3. What is phase current? In polyphase system, the current flowing in any phase is called phase current. Question number 4. What is the sign and unit for phase current? The sign for phase current is capital I substitute P, whereas the unit of phase current is ampere. Question number 5. What is line voltage? In polyphase system, the voltage across two lines or two phases is called line voltage. Question number 6. What is the sign and unit for line voltage? The sign for line voltage is V substitute L, whereas the unit of line voltage is volt. Question number 7. What is phase voltage? In polyphase system, the voltage across single phase is called phase voltage. Question number 8. What is the sign and unit for phase voltage? The sign for phase voltage is capital V substitute P, whereas the unit of phase voltage is volt. Question number 9. What is primary turn? The number of turns of coil on the primary side of transformer is called primary turns. Question number 10. What is the sign and unit for primary turns? The sign for primary turns is capital N substitute P, whereas the unit of primary turns is number. For valuable knowledge, you can like this video and subscribe the technical tutorial ASHUTOSH'S Architecture with click on all option of the bell icon. Question number 11. What is secondary turn? The number of turns of coil on the secondary side of transformer is called secondary turn. Question number 12. What is the sign and unit for secondary turn? The sign for secondary turn is capital N substitute S, whereas the unit of secondary turn is number. Question number 13. What is primary current? The amount of current flows in the primary side of transformer due to applied voltage is called primary current. Question number 14. What is the sign and unit for primary current? The sign for primary current is capital I substitute P, whereas the unit of primary current is ampere. Question number 15. What is secondary current? The amount of current flows in the secondary side of transformer due to load or consuming device is called secondary current. Question number 16. What is the sign and unit for secondary current. The sign for secondary current is capital I, substitute S, whereas the unit of secondary current is ampere. Question number 17. What is torque? The turning and twisting moment of a force about an axis is called torque. Question number 18. What is the sign and unit for torque? The sign for torque is capital T, whereas the unit of torque is Newton meter. Okay friends, times to wind up this electrical engineering Viva questions about sign and unit for electrical quantity. For more video, you can click on iCards and also watch these videos. Till then, subscribe, like and share ASHUTOSH'S Architecture, and don't forget to click the all option of the bell icon for valuable videos. Thank you.